Did you see the Japanese dude over there in his Speedos?
No.
He's got a bottle of water washing his car.
Oh.
There, look, over here. No, you just get out here in the middle.
Yeah.
And see that bottle up there?
Yeah.
Just go wide and then swing around that bottle mark so you've got a nice line through this. You don't want to go over the top of them. I'm going so crazy here. I had one blade in my butt. Yeah, shut up. Righto. Move over, Rover, let's get some fish. Whoa. There's a lot of clutter on the sound. I don't know if it's all fish. It might be just the... Nice. Straight off the edge of that drop off? Well, that clutter was all fish. Is that a perch or a bream? Oh no, it's a little bream. There you go. That's why it's always good just to stop at the ramp, get a fix. Now we're going on to the flat. My mind's thinking back to front today. Every time I go to turn left, the motor goes right. See all that scum pile mark line there? Oh, yeah, I'm on.
Oh, I thought it was whack there right there.
I was looking at where I want to fish and little brim's already got me. We're already there. Oh, that's not going to do. See all the brim chews there, especially on this side block. Like they're working their way around, so I know what they're doing at high tide. If they're working their way around this block, maybe they're underneath it right now. Yep, bloody oath. That didn't take long. Ooh, yeah. Try and slow it, like you move quick, like do a whole loop, pinch. You're missing everything. Try swing us right around and come back in. Maybe fish those two poles over there as you go up, because you're going to miss that. Like that was so quick. Now that, not a big bream, but I'll let you go first. Straight snake worm hook with a gulp and a worm. All the blocks are the same, so if they're on this block we can go and do each. You go block, 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 like the others are all just the same. Am I on or off?
You're off.
Off?
Yeah.
Could have been a good fish, huh?
Yeah. Got it right.
Three. You got the control there now. Yeah, there's one. Yep. Hey, little. There's a little tunnel under there.
Yeah.
I worked for my dad here. I used to cut all the grass here years ago.
Oh, yeah.
And there's tunnels everywhere. The Sydney bumblebees. That's it, man. Probably motor into this corner, poke around these poles, and then we'll work our way out.
Yeah,
I might go to the Pinana.
sorry, mate. Sorry, buddy. I can't hear.
No, we're going to let you on, we'll get out of your way. No worries, mate. Just see if they can swing around, so you just drive straight up there, you're out of their way. on or off? On. That last fish was on a real dirty boat, so. Just smashed it. Sort of want to go back and do that. I'll put a hidden weight on, I'll go back and do that boat one more time. Yeah, there's one on here. Yep. Oh. After that last one just hammered me, and now I get this little puny thing. Oh no, I've got an overrun here too. Oh, he's legal. I'm going to leave him on and just get rid of my overrun. Yeah, there it is. Oh, the fish is still on. Oh, what did it grow up? Did a kingy just eat it? Look at it.
Look, it did, look.
It's just turned into a bigger fish. What did you lose your rig?
No, I'm not in it.
Come here, mate. Yeah, it's just a bit, I haven't been finesse brimming for so long. It's taken a few fish to get that hook up going. It's legal. Not big. Is my camera going?
Yeah, it's gone.
Not big, but after that one that just done me over.
Oh, probably serious.
No. When I say turn your head this way, don't do that. You ready to roll? Just take the motor and go. Head to the next one. Yeah, you just start to get these little tracks, little patterns. Like, to tell you the truth, I haven't fished this little run of boats for over 10 years. Well, that was a bad cast. I tender boat, leave it. I always leave, if there's a tender on it, I leave them. I don't want to annoy it. They might be in there having a cuppa. Slide one right up the middle of this cat. Start heading over to that yacht. Line yourself up. You just want to hit that keel. That's probably where the best fish will be, is right on that keel there. Swing right, you're going to hit it. There you go. I'll take it. Nah, keel. Keel's the middle. Middle bit, there. That's it. Don't even do anything, just watch the line. Like, it's almost like count to 10, shake it, there's no weight winded in. Yeah. Now you know why I say keel? Really? So it's keel bents. From now on, what are you going to cast at?
Keel.
Keel. Okay. Alright, so that's got a little keel on it, but just cut across to the next shot. It proves the point, you know what I mean? Like, we're just going, it's the middle of the day, like the bottom of the tide. Yeah. All we're doing is keel, 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 keel. Don't worry about anchor ropes, don't worry about anything. Yeah, we got a pattern. Once you get a pattern, stick with it.
Just watch it, I've got a little tick in the back.
Yep, that's right, you probably got too much tightness. Like it's slack line, not tight line. And just a little shake, and they'll get that second grab out of them.
You got him out?
No, I haven't. No. Now, do you understand that? How I was like pushing you in that side, It's always instant. He's not real big, man. He's legal. But it's just instant every time, eh? Throw back in there, you might get a second one. I've only come across that one real big fish so far today. Look at the fat belly on him. Oh no! Yeah. That's all it takes, eh? I seen the line wasn't moving and I hit it. I should have given it a rattle because it was like that. See the leader's just going under now?
Yeah.
You only get one chance though, so that's the killer.
You only get one hit out of it today.
Oh yeah, they're spooky like a carp.
Like a bass. If you would have hit like a bass, would hit you. Could get him again.
Yep. But that's alright, there'll be more. Like I reckon we're getting more success driving the petty. I nearly say just you drive until I hook up and then I'll drive till you hook up, you know, because every time we stop, no, I'm just going to let this one just, don't even, I got it covered, man.
I'll just throw them on. Got a piece.
Yep, I can drive us down to the next one now. Well, what it does, the petty pushes the fish into the keel. Yeah. You bang into the keel and as you're driving away, they smack it. Yeah. Missed. I got that one, so you take the motor and start motoring across to that one. It's so instant that you can't get to the next boat quick enough. Got up? Right, you take the motor, head over to that one.
Okay.
Well, I'm pushing you.
Yeah, I know. I like that one. I like that.
Well, this is like tournament. This is more you're out here like I'm more like a tennis coach or a golf instructor. Whack it in the keel. Nah, missed it. Why didn't you get it again? If both of us miss that keel, that's it. And just motor to the next one. Don't forget those bigger fish are on clean yachts. Oh, there's one. Didn't fall over. Good fish here. Feels like a good one. See how like we couldn't get to this boat quick enough. You know what I mean?
You up with it?
Yeah. I'm gonna have a bit of fun with this one. I don't think this is. What did you just say to me? Just keep fishing, man. Get one off that next boat. He's not that big. He's just illegal. So I'm fishing so light today. All I've come out today was mainly to show you how like we push. See, you're coming off your line. You want to get up and start swinging, whack that into the keel. And as you're driving away, just watch your line. And instead of doing the ammo twitch or a big sweep, just give it a little shake. So they're good bream. They're beautiful pan-sized fish. There you go. Now, thank your mother for the rabbits, eh? You got it? Now you've just picked up, haven't you? Yeah. You understand?
Yeah. I went in and swung out.
You just went in, you swung out, you whacked it in the keel, you start to go to the next one, you check your line, there's the fish. Harvesting, it's called. Good boy. Sometimes I feel a bit bad, like yelling, like, come on, move. But the other side of it is because you do listen.
I like
watch your rod. Now I'm going to get us over to the next one. Because you do listen, I know that when you get out on your own,
they're bag fillers, eh?
Yeah. When you get out on your own, you're going to start working these boats 100%. Properly. Well, and see, we've worn the battery. It's not even 10 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, we've worn their batteries out already.
Yeah.
So that's how hard we're pushing, and we can even finish the day with the petrol motor.
Yeah.
What was that? No, not another drink. I have never finished a full can of drink in a boat yet.
I thought I missed that.
Keep going to the next boat. I'll get this one. That's it. They're definitely on the wider, deeper boats too, I noticed. So, oh, there's one. Oh, that was a good fish. Let's see if I can get him again. See how that keel. Dang nabbit, I missed him. Ah, too far away to reach it now. Just wait till I'll position you. That's it, beautiful. And just take your boat, no slack, just take your bow arm, just wait. Get all the time in the world. Let more line out. Now just give it a little shake. Yep. Now, good boy. Now you understand it now? Yeah. So you're not pulling it away, you're just giving him a shake. Because we just wanted to check to see if there's one looking at it. No, nice bream. They're all legal. And watch this. What's up, Vince? What's the matter? Sorry, man. I couldn't help that. You're lucky you're not in my bass boat because I've actually got up to 60 mile an hour doing that. Yeah, actually, he is a good bream. Like, you know, nice 550 grammer. Yeah. Well done.
You know, he's catching the other ones, actually.
Now you got to get that off and get your line in on this boat before I hit it, man. Show the camera. I don't know, get ready again. Now just remember, leave your bail arm open, let more slack. When you're about to pull out, just give it a little shake. And if the line doesn't go backwards, wind in and we'll go to the next one. Keel, mate, keel, always keel. If you don't get that keel, especially on these big ones, go back in. It's not always the keel, they are on the anchor ropes and whatever, but we got a keel bite. So you just get that juicy looking one over there. Shame our batteries are so flat because you can imagine how many fish. We've probably got about, what, 15 or so now. No, bring it in and motor over and do the next one. I'll take this one out. On and then bang. And then you can take over. I'd drive around, go back out here. Let's get more in the wider stuff than the... Oh, what's going on there? Lucky there's no fish on that then. And see if I'm... Wait, I'm going to fall over. If I'm behind you, I can't skip cast. I just punch one in there. As long as I hit that keel. You leave yours in because mine drifted away. Come across here, just drive straight through the middle. I'll take right, you take left. If you gulp thorns twist and curling, yeah, you won't get as many fish. It's got to really glide. I'm only saying that because I just noticed mine was doing that. It's those bigger boats. Alright, where can we go now? Do that very last end one. I feel like we've done enough here, we should try something different. I'm glad we persevered with it because I was sort of starting to like, no, do it this way, and then those last two fish, I got them on film with you, and it's like leave your bail arm, shake, rattle, and the rod just bends over.
That last one was good. Sure.
Because once you know what you're doing, then I have so much more fun stealing your fish. Like, like see that over there?
Yeah.
Like that. Go back to the blue. I actually jump on the petty. Jump on the petty and we'll just drive through these ones. This is a challenge now, okay? We're out of Lecky. So let's go. First person to get two fish. Either you pin one or you catch one and then we swap. Okay? So if I miss it, and I can't blame you for driving the wrong spot either, because there's sabotages allowed. Swing it right. But the tide is running in now, so they might have come up, they might have started moving up. There's a lot of Jew guys out here today. I just want to do those. Go to Russian.
The Russian one, go back.
A Russian.
A little action on the sandbar.
Yeah, I know, but we don't want to fish down that deep. That's what I mean. The Jew boys are out.
Yeah, look at those big marks on you right now, eh?
Oh, I believe you. But I'm just, yeah, the Jew King, all sorts of things down there, but we're just after these bream on the top. That's why they're up here, hiding on the keels from those bigger fish. Now that leader knot didn't move then. Nah, it's all right. Here we go. Head me up to the boat, bro. That's Dawn Fraser Pool, eh? Right, this is where I'm going to get in. Swing it that way. Here he goes. You're gone, man. Might as well just go past these two. Yeah, see, it's just sinking straight down with the wide of that one. Going? Going?
Yeah, it's going good.
Oh, try and kill me. Looks good.
My rod too.
I got your rod. Just felt, I'm thinking that handle feels a bit weird.
My rod too.
Going too quick for me now.
Alright.
Yep. I'm going to have another go at that because I know I said the rules weren't to blame the driver, but that was just like, you're going too quick. I can't set the hook in that bream that wants to eat your rod. Damn. Now give me one more. Go over there. Just remember what we said at the start of the day. Don't just go belt. You got to line up, get me into a spot. Once you know I'm in and saddle, then you can start idling away. I'm straight for it. Like just point your boat at the keel, and just before you think like you're too close, turn and then stop. Right, now turn. Oh, sorry. I was thinking you're going to go the other way. Two duds. Go to the next one. He was on that one. Damn. Yeah, I got him. What is your drag on? So just loosen it off a bit for you. It's going to be 2-1 now. Only little. Alright, all yours, swap. So, if you think my driving stuff you shot up, you can have another go, okay? I've got a feeling you'll get one on this. So yeah, I was going to say, you're going back to your bad habits. You're pulling the lure away from the... Right, one and we'll go to the next one. Remember, the only time you want tight line is when you're giving it a little shake and you're dropping back straight away to get slack again. But you only want tight line for like a split of a second. I've got you in the wrong angle there, but if you... No, don't worry about that one. Just relax, you've got a good shot there. You're still not, like the keel's always dead center. That's it. Now just slack line. So you just pulled that away. You want it to suck in. Yeah, don't bring your rod back. You keep it forward, everything forward. Feed, yeah. That's it. Now take the bar and give it a little rattle. If you pull it away, they'll just stay in the boat, you know. So you can see why I use the 2,500s on the boats too now, because it's that, get your line back into the spool. I like the 1,000s to slow me down with the blades and things. Get one on the other side. Just don't think you're hitting, I think you got to be really dead on the keel right now to get that hook up. But they're a weird fish, man. I've missed the keel 3-4 shots.
Bang.
Bang, you're on, yeah. It's an instant hookup when you put it in their spot. There we go, 2 all. There you go. Now we just fished all the way around that. He's...
I hit that Brent Pond.
Oh, he's only little, but that's alright. 2-0, 2 all. I think we'll call it, still legal. We'll call it a draw.
How are you going to get out of?
Ski coming up, just give him a gap. And try and get you into the corner there, okay? I'll come around that thing and I'll chuck you the rope for you.
The rope?
Beautiful. No worries, mate. Back to the ferry. I got a ferry coming, Vince, so just wait for that. Just wavy. Drive it on, Vince. Yeehaw. You'd be right to take it off. You'd be right.
Yeah, keep going. I'm not very experienced.
Oh no, it's good that he noticed, mate. You gotta watch this stuff's like glass when it gets bad. No, he's observant. You all good? Yep.
Oh, here we go.